Hello Ride-On people, let's have a look at the sensational and ultra exclusive Ducati Superleggera because it is beautiful. I know the owner of this particular machine and he is one very lucky man. It is a limited edition of only one of 500 units with a certificate of authenticity from the Bologna factory. Let's just take a second or two to take a peek at this specific machine and its exquisite pedigree and beauty. With the race kit fitted, this masterpiece delivers a very much World Superbike-like obscene 234 horsepower, pushing just 152 kilos or just over 300 pounds. It is the only motorcycle in the world approved for road use with a full carbon fibre frame, carbon fibre swing arm, carbon fibre wheels and carbon fibre fairing. In fact, it is so light and powerful that with the supplied race kit fitted, it has a power to weight ratio that is mind-blowing at 1.54 horsepower per kilo, or around 1.5 horsepower for every 2.2 pounds of weight. Each machine is delivered to the customer in an exclusive wooden box with special graphics of the Superleggera covering the whole of one side. This owner has even had it mounted to one of his walls, which looks absolutely fantastic. The paint is stunning and pays homage to the Desmosedici GP19 colour scheme. It has a plethora of titanium parts for lightness and strength. These include a full Akropovich exhaust system, engine clamping and cam cap screws, and even the springs of the Öhlins electronic shock is made of titanium too. The full carbon fibre stability wings are GP19 derived and create immense downforce at high speeds to help keep the front wheel pinned to the ground. It features unique software for the TFT dashboard, beautiful machine billet yokes with the bike series number engraved into them, along with an exclusive key with the serial number on it too. Ducati have the best electronic suite in the business, including rider modes, power modes, cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, slide control, engine brake control, and even automatic tyre recalibration of all of the electronics when changing compounds and profiles. Let's just take a few moments to marvel at the top drawer quality of its components and of its hand assembly. and let's have a quick look at what bringing it all together looks like. Make absolutely no mistake, if you want the most, this is the mostest. But it's 100k plus taxes, and I'm sure they're already all sold out anyway. Oh well, we can dream. Ride often, ride careful, ride on. Hey you, if you want to become one of the Ride On people, don't forget to subscribe. Ride often, ride carefully, ride on.